Hello everyone. So here I am back with the next video of basic Python series, and in this session I will show you some basic codes of Python of the topic that I have discussed in the last session, discussion control instruction. Sorry, decision control instruction. My bad. Extremely sorry. Okay. So let's try this problem 5.1. Here from here you can see, while purchasing certain items, a discount of 10% is offered if the quantity purchased is more than 1000. If quantity and price per item are input through the keyboard. Yeah. So we need to write the user input. We need to have the user input for it. Write a program to calculate the total expenses. Okay, so we need to calculate the total expenses. Okay, so let us try. So first we need to initialize a variable quantity, and let quantity, we need to take the input, enter the value of, sorry, enter the value of quantity. Okay, please note that input, when the input function is taking a value, it will be a string, and if we need to convert it into an integer, then we need to use the integer function. Okay, now we need to take another input for this price. Where is the price? Yeah, this is price. So price, similarly price, sorry. Hmm. Mm, Price equal to, again I need to convert it into integer, or you can also use float for this. It's better to use float for price. Enter the price. Okay, now if quantity is greater than what it has written, quantity purchased is more than 1000. Okay, so if quantity is greater than 1000, discount will be 10. Okay, else discount is equal to the else discount else while purchasing certain items, a discount of 10 is offered if more than 100, if quantity purchased is more than 100. If quantity and price per item are input through the keyboard, else discount will be 0. Yeah, else there will be no discount. Okay, now total expenses, sorry, total expenses will be equal to quantity into price minus quantity into price into discount divided by 100, right? So print total expenses is equal to rupees plus str total exp. Okay guys, so why I am using this plus str, because this total just a minute. Okay. Yeah, so why I am using this plus str, because the value of total underscore exp total expenses is will be an integer, and we need to convert this to a string value. For that we are using this plus operand and the string function. Okay, let us run the program. Yeah. So quantity, you can say 1200, enter price 690. See, total expenses will be 745200. And again, if the quantity is less than 1000, price you can say 560. So again, this will give the total expenses. This will return the value of total expenses, but discount will not be applied. Discount is 0. Okay, and if you want to print how much discount I am getting, you need to add another line over here in this if and else block, in the if block only. For that you have to calculate the discount also. Okay, you can try it on your own. I will move to the next problem. Okay, you can see from here, uh, a company insures its driver in the following cases: if the driver is married, if the driver is unmarried, male and above 30 years of age, if the driver is unmarried, female and above 25 years of age. Only in this case, in these three conditions, if these three conditions are valid, then the driver will be insured. And for all other cases apart from these three, the driver will not be insured. Okay, so let's develop a program for this. We see just there are three variables: marital status, gender, and age. So unmarried and just yeah, you can see married and unmarried will fall under marital status. Age is another parameter which will be used as variable, and the gender of the person. Okay, so MARST, I'm using marital status as this name. Marital status equal to input enter, sorry, enter marital status. This will be string only. Then gender, input enter gender. Then age. For this we need a string value. So int input enter your age. Okay, till this point it's clear to you. Okay, so if, just see the logic now, if marital status is married, or marital status is unmarried, okay, and gender equal to male, and age is greater than 30, here it is given 30, and age is greater than 30, right? For new line, or marital status is equal to unmarried for you for unmarried, and gender, just a minute, I missed this one, and gender equal to for woman it's female, and age is greater than 25. I have made one typing mistake over here. Okay, now it's correct. Yeah, now it's correct. And age is greater than 25. Print insured, else else print not insured. Okay, let us try this program. I am also doing this for the first time. Okay, what is the error? Unexpected character after line, continuation character. Okay, I think we don't need this. Mm, expected line 5. 5, yeah. Now it should work. Hmm. Intermarital status, marital status unmarried. Intergender male. Age 34. Insured. See, it's working, right? So, hope you have understood this problem. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Okay, so our next problem, I will write it over here. Okay, our next problem is we need to calculate the marks division of a student. Marks, uh, this is not properly visible. Okay, I think this is the problem. Yeah. Percentage of marks obtained by a student are input through the keyboard. The student gets division as per the following rules. First division if it is above or equal to 60. Second division between 50 and 59. Between 40 and 49, third division, and less than 40 fail. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, we need to get the marks as the user input, right? So let us initialize a variable percentage equal to int input enter your percentage. Okay, now we need to write the if else block. If percentage is greater than 60. Okay, if percentage is greater than 60, what we need to write? We need to write first division. Print first first division, div. Okay, else if percentage is greater than 50, print second division. else if percentage is greater than 40, it will print third division, right? Okay. Else if it is less than 40, you should not get less than 40 no matter what. Anyways, else print fail, you are a fool. Okay. Enter percentage. Let us try 99, first division. And now 34. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's clear to you. And if you want to add some more lines over here in the else block, then go and study well. You can add. If you it's your choice. It's up to you. Okay. Let's move on to the next problem. Okay. I have selected few problems which I will show you today. The rest you can try. This is a good book. This is Latest Python. You can download it from Google, or you can also buy the book. It's a good for practice. Okay, see just problem number 5.6. Given a number n, we wish to do the following. Okay, for the number n, if n is a positive number, print n multiplies n and set flag to true. If n is a negative number, print n multiplies 3 times and set flag to true. And if n is 0, do nothing. Okay, we need to write the code, and actually this actually is the code given below correct for this logic or not? Okay, let's try it. Okay, whether this code is correct or not. Okay, n equal to int input, enter, sorry, enter the value of n. If n is greater than 0, what we need to do? We need to print n multiply n, and flag equal to true, sorry. Okay, then you can say else if n less than 0, print print n multiplies 3 times. Okay, and flag equal to again true. Okay guys, I have completed. Where is my mouse? Yeah, I have completed till this part. But the thing is, there is no else block in this program, right? There is no else block. But when you are using the if, then you must have the else block. And if you else if block is not compulsory if you are using only if and else block. But if you are using if and else if, then else block is obviously compulsory. It is compulsory. So but there is nothing to write in the else block, right? In under the else block. So what you can do, else pass. You can write pass. Pass do nothing actually. So we can write it. Okay. So enter the value of n2. See. Okay. Let me do one thing. flag equal to true. Flag equal to true. Okay. 6. Yeah, the same thing is happening. Okay. So n is 36 because n is greater than 0. So 6 into 6, 36. Now what if n is less than 0? Right? Minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus multiplying 3 times minus 2, so 3 times minus will return minus and 3 times 2 will return 2, sorry, 8. Okay, so I think this problem is also clear to you. Now I will move to some intermediate level problem. This is not intermediate actually, it is, these are conceptual problems but good one. Okay, so let's start with this problem. Given the length and breadth of a rectangle, so length and breadth of a rectangle will be given, and if it is not given, you can take you can get the length and breadth as the user input. So we need to write a program whether the area of a rectangle is greater than its perimeter. For example, area of the rectangle with length 5 and breadth 4 is greater than its perimeter. Okay. So how we can solve this problem? First, let us take the length as the user input int. We no need to use float for this. Let us solve it with int only. Okay. Input, enter the length. Okay, breadth equal to int input, enter the breadth. Now what we need to do, we need to initialize the variables area and perimeter. How we can do that? You know the formula of area and perimeter of a rectangle. Area is equal to, we cannot use this operator over here. Okay, we need to assign the value to the variable area, right? So we need to use this operator, assignment operator. But if you use double equal, then it will be comparison operator. Okay, so area will be equal to length multiplies breadth, and perimeter is equal to 2 times of, no need to write in this way, 2 in 2 multiplies length plus 2 multiplies breadth. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to check whether the area is greater or the perimeter is greater. If area is greater than perimeter, print area is plus area is plus str, we need to convert it into string. Area, okay, perimeter, sorry, uh, print perimeter is plus str, perimeter, print area is greater than perimeter. Else, you can write these two statements as it is. Control V. There is an indentation error. Then print area is less than its perimeter. Okay. Else area is less than. Okay. Let's run this code at first. So there is an error. Undetermined string literal. I see. Yes, I missed this one. Enter the length. Let us take the length as 12, breadth as 4. Error. Again error. Name length is not defined. Did you mean length? Acha, Length. I think there is a typing mistake. Hmm. Okay. Let us take 10 and 5 this time. Yes, see, area is 50, perimeter is 30. So area is greater than perimeter. Now, if we take some other values, 34, 36, area is this time also area is greater than perimeter. Okay, so this is how actually programs you can write the program logically. You have to understand the program first, so you can try the other programs as well. If you need the uh, PDF of this book, please mention it in the comment section. I will try to provide the link. So have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you. And stay tuned for the next video.